This is a monitoring system for rear view backup, 2 side cameras and 1 forward camera. Plus, there's a camera on the back of this, right there. And I needed a place to mount it because if I'd put it up here, that would block my view of the road. So I got to looking. There's a blank spot here and there's a double blank here. So I took this blank out. I drilled a hole in it. I'll put this back in here. And this here will mount right here, where I can observe my rear 2 side views and a front view on this screen. I can tell if there's a car coming up alongside of me, or if there's one tailgating me. I can see what's going on. And I had to come up with this solution, which I think is going to work. Then I had to drill an 1.8" hole in the firewall, and all these wires has got to go out underneath the hood. This blank cover, I am going to try and attempt to put it back in here. So I put it there, take a screwdriver.
Do very gently so you don't break the...
And it's in there. And then this mounts on there. There she is.
All right then.
I had to go through the firewall. I used a 1-inch black pipe nipple, 3 inches long, to go through the firewall in order to get all the wires through there. So now that I caulked around there with silicone caulking, now where the wire comes out of the pipe, I'm going to take and put plumber's putty in there to keep any fumes and stuff from going back into the cabin. Now it said hook the yellow wire to the positive terminal of the battery. Well, the positive terminal comes out of there, goes down to here, so the yellow wire is hooked to there. The black wire is hooked to the negative terminal of the battery. And this red wire is hooked to the accessory fuse in the fuse panel right here. So whenever I shut the key off, it turns everything off. Pull the fuse out, stick the wire down in there, shove the fuse back down in. Then the yellow wire goes to the positive terminal of the battery. And this runs over to the positive terminal.
Do you just wrap it around and then...
Well, he stuck it behind that nut and tightened it down.
Okay.
And the black wire going to the negative, right here, the negative terminal of the battery. It's got all 4 pictures on there. Here's the backup camera. Here's the left side that the door is open, so you can't see looking down the truck. And here's the right side, and there's the front view. Now you can take and... There's the backup view. Here's the left side. There's the right side. There's the front view. Now you can record going down the road, and it's got 128 gigabytes that you can record a pretty long trip, and you can play it back. You can download it to your computer. But I'm not very good backing up a truck, so I've been in a ditch or so backing up. But now with the backup camera, it'll help. And I just thought it was a cool little project, and I think it might work out pretty good.